The future of enterprise systems. In today's modern digital age, companies need to be able to make quick and informed decisions about how to quickly adapt, make constant changes, and implement new strategies. Furthermore, they need to be able to effectively manage performance and monitor what's working and what is not in order to reassign resources to the best opportunities and returns. Erp systems and their corresponding implementation must change to cope with the new trends in technology, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, and blockchain. In this presentation, common future trends that impact the roadmap for Erp systems and practices will be discussed. Erp systems are useful platforms that help businesses predict and project their financial plans. Right now, companies use this software to manage day-to-day tasks and activities. However, future trends in Erp systems point to including even more features for improving business decisions. What's yet to be included into the Erp systems will soon impact businesses overall. The addition of artificial intelligence into Erp systems has changed not only how the system operates, but also the volume of data it can handle as well. As Erp systems integrate more information, company leaders will be able to make more informed decisions. Then, how next generation of Erp will look like. Several new technologies will shape the future of Erp systems, such as the Internet of Things, which is the concept that provides objects such as cars and electrical appliances with the capacity to transfer data over a network without requiring human interaction. In the case of Erp, devices are available that can be attached to tools and even vehicles, feeding data back to applications hosted in the cloud. Information such as location, usage, and performance can then be easily accessed, allowing organizations to identify issues like where unused assets are or if maintenance is required. Much of the attention generated by wearable technology has focused on consumer propositions like fitness trackers. There are also a host of applications in the workplace. Augmented reality-enabled glasses like Google Glasses will enable hands-free operations, which can be of great benefit for many workers. Even smartwatches represent a step forward compared to smartphones, since they are more easily accessible and are less likely to be misplaced or dropped. Devices designed to monitor external factors like heat can help improve management of employee health. Organizations have become more dependent on IT, and as a result, they have accumulated large amounts of data that has been traditionally unused. As the Internet of Things connects tools and employees to the Internet, this data generation is set to grow exponentially. By employing analytical tools, organizations can begin to use this data to make accurate predictions that form the basis of more intelligent approaches to business strategy. With businesses operating in multi-channel world, using technologies that understands the situation you are in, what information you would like to see, and how you would like to see it, will begin to have the real impact on performance. PCs and mobile applications will have to integrate content-aware functionality to anticipate user needs and improve the efficiency of day-to-day tasks. For example, a field service engineer will automatically receive all the asset data, job description, instructions, customer relationship history as soon as he arrived at the repair site. Over the next few years, technology like wearable, the Internet of Things, and big data analytics stand to reinvent business processes across many different industry sectors. Organizations need to keep an eye on new technologies, even those that may seem to be irrelevant. By taking an innovation approach to the adoption of technology, businesses tend to save time and increase productivity, results that will be reflected in the bottom line of enterprises that choose to hold the new technologies. ERP as a huge system of records is disappearing and making place for intelligent ERP or IERP, where actions and intelligence matter. Intelligent ERP systems are quickly becoming adopted as new systems of the world. As a result, today's ERP systems of records will most likely be replaced by new systems of intelligence. IERP applications are defined as ERP systems that use machine learning and advanced data analytics that is built on large datasets to forecast, track, learn, analyze, report, manage, and predict these resources and business processes. What makes IERP systems stand apart are features such as user experience. These intelligent systems are capable of processing, analyzing, acting on massive volumes of data in real time using in-memory computing technologies. IERP systems also enhance the technology value proposition by moving from record management to intelligent software systems that learn from expectations and business rules, empowering users to discover more insights, predict and plan any particular outcomes, and recommend new steps. As ERP systems continue to evolve and adapt these modern technologies, blockchain technology will have the greatest impact, as it creates a single trusted source of truth. So in Oracle ERP and SCM Cloud Leader, the transactions recorded via blockchain are designed to be secured, trusted, immutable, and completely transparent to all stakeholders. These attributes help to streamline the experience inefficient processes currently found in your ERP environment with the new approaches that can save time for all parties involved, lower costs throughout your business network, and reduce risk. In addition, blockchain helps you build trust with your business partners, which can streamline future transactions. Next generations of ERP systems or intelligent ERP will leverage several new technologies in order to keep up operational efficiency and business growth, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, and blockchain. Trends like evolving customer expectations and growing business competition have also begun forcing businesses to engage in innovation and accept digital transformation. Digital transformation is changing every aspect of how enterprises do business. It changes the way how companies capture, process, and distribute information by adapting to intelligent technologies such as intelligent ERP. Here are some of the prime examples of how intelligent ERP systems can benefit both smaller and larger enterprises. Most organizations are seeking new and innovative ways to accomplish the most while utilizing the minimal amount of resources. Intelligent ERP systems can facilitate this goal with tailor-made solutions. Applications integrated with intelligent ERP systems can optimize resources, including human input and responses, business processes, and the self-learning technology. By elevating the technology from records management to intelligent systems, this empowers professionals to discover new insights and can better predict outcomes by using automated processing. One of the main key benefits of optimizing resources is to reduce long-term operational costs. Intelligent ERP is not alone in utilizing machine learning and advanced analytics to cut costs. Other automated technologies can be used to increase productivity and so reduce cost of human labor, and so in turn ensuring a consistency within quality. Intelligent ERP, however, stimulates a vast range of machine learning capabilities which can be applied across an organization. Intelligent ERP applications feature a conversational user experience by automating a set of high-volume repeated tasks and augmenting the performance of less frequent tasks through human-machine interaction. The user experience is a firm differentiation for intelligent ERP systems versus older systems of similar size. Intelligent ERP systems not only offering an ease of use, but offers an active, adaptable technology making employees more efficient in the day-to-day tasks. Analyzing, processing, and executing on massive volumes of data can be produced in real time using IMC, in-memory computing technologies. These variations of decision-making gives organizations the flexibility to adapt to variables in real time. This facilitates better high-level decision-making from the workplace. Intelligent ERP applications make use of machine learning and advanced analytics to predict, track, study, analyze, report, and manage business operations and company resources efficiently. The features of Ierp systems are adapting user experience and in-memory computing technology to help in extracting key information and reforming business processes. Further, as an Ierp system learns, the application allowed to form forecasting and predictive solutions. You can use the information to modify and reconfigure business development. With the ability to learn from exceptions and getting familiar to business rules, Ierp allows users to get new insights, have accurate forecasts and predictions, set processes automation, and develop recommendations for further steps. Users can monitor information and set up defined targets for business transactions and forecasts. Once done with the setting up targets, any information obtained will help users adapt and perform any changes required quickly. By integrating intelligent ERP, manufacturers can improve their products and materials using twofolds. First, manufacturers using Ierp can have the opportunity to form an open system of communication with their employees, so improving the development of products. Second, by using the automatic proposals for invention, the manufacturing sector can use the Ierp for making certain adjustments to their products' inventory or often overlooked manufacturing processes. Specialists argue that Ierp is the next wave of enterprise applications. But what do we have to expect from Erp? Here are a few things to look for. Is artificial intelligence the new era of Erp software optimization? The scope of AI is growing beyond simple domestic smartphones use. In fact, AI is affecting the Erp technology sector in a huge way. Due to the powerful capabilities, AI technologies are already optimizing system operating models as well as transforming business processes for enterprises and organizations globally. Artificial intelligence is transforming the Erp software domain and the way businesses function. Together with the data mining capabilities of advanced self-learning enabled AI systems, automation of Erp software systems could bring great value addition to the business. The AI-enabled Erp software can influence the core of an organization's day-to-day business functions and processes by cutting down on operation expenses, performing tasks that are routine, and removing human errors. Workforce knowledge and skills can be optimized through AI tools, increasing the overall effectiveness as the focus shift in favor of non-routine analytics, logical and creative tasks. AI can liberate workers from manual interaction with the Erp software by triggering an evolution of self-driving and semi-intelligent business solutions. AI tools can also be used for ERP software maintenance. That AI-enabled ERP employ a digital assistant in order to help technicians perform the root cause analysis for maintenance issues. The provisions can record information and details of performance, maintenance, history of a device, and technical structure. The digital assistant tools can extract as well as source information from the core ERP systems. As businesses integrate additional smart technologies into their processes, from the manufacturing floor to the offices, more data will be added to ERP systems for financial planning. Artificial intelligence and its many branches stand to evolve the ERP systems for business decision-making. To help connect all devices used by a company, leaders will turn to the Internet of Things. The sharing of data between Internet of Things connected devices and ERP systems will help collecting and analyzing data as well as simplifying processes. Robotic and data monitoring devices included in everything from the factory floor to delivery trucks will transmit information via their Internet of Things connection back to ERP solutions in real time. One benefit of bringing Internet of Things connected devices information into an ERP system will be the centralization of data storage and report generation. Managers will have additional transparency as IoT and its connected devices follow a product's life cycle. This transparency, when plugged into an ERP system, would help businesses in making better financial decisions. Leaders that know how quickly a product is made and when it lands in the customer's hand can map out where improvements need to happen and what processes to update. The manufacturing floor will change as well. Future trends in ERP systems point at AI-powered machines talking directly with an ERP system. Companies adding more AI-run machines into their manufacturing process will see an automation of processes such as the supply chain, which in turn can help with creating better overall cost predictions for products. The merging of IoT data into ERP systems may have a huge effect for some companies. Businesses may need to update their ERP back-end database and security, and may look to cloud storage options to solve their potential problems. In additional information from IoT connected devices will increase overall business intelligence. Business leaders will be able to make increasingly informed decisions via advanced analytics, increased interface and forecasts, along with automated workflows. Management can also improve efficiency and productivity by using their information to select the most beneficial updates to various business processes. As companies expand either in number of employees or global footprint, collaborative features become important. Also, newer team members are often part of generations who have always access to connected devices. ERP systems that include social media features will provide benefits to their users, such as increased cross-department communication or faster responses to consumers' queries. Although current ERP systems may already include chat features or activity trackers, updating these features so they better emulate social media functionality can help quicken adoption. A personalized employee profile, including activity trackers and other relevant information, will help managers set up their team based on characteristics they require. Setting up profiles across departments might also encourage other collaboration. Communication between different employees, if made as easy as instant messages friend on social media, may help individuals share information between various groups. Employees who share information with everyone, regardless of their department, can help reduce the occurrence of information silos. ERP systems will help improve more than just business operations and communications. Discussions with consumers will happen faster, as well as since social media has become a primary place for talking to consumers. ERP systems of the future will need to integrate with social media platforms. This integration provides the ability to respond faster to consumer questions while generating additional data for company financial predictions. Many organizations are making a way towards IoT-enabled ERP software. IoT means a thing or a device connecting to another one. These connected devices and systems will collect data through embedded sensors in machines or other physical objects. The interconnection of these devices will create a wave of automation in almost every field. IoT is said to be the perfect combination of the physical and virtual worlds, thus making it a perfectly connected world. Just like IoT, the aim of ERP is to serve its customers in the best possible way. The flood of data generated from IoT can be fed into ERP software and benefit the manufacturers in product lifecycle, starting from its design, development, manufacturing, tracking, delivering, to any kind of support that may be required thereafter. Some of the IoT solutions exist that will safeguard your products against this risk and will maintain the quality of the shipment. IoT manufacturers can have insight on their use behavior, wear and tear. Some IoT devices are so powerful that they can order its own services and replacement parts based on detected wear and tear. IoT enables products to communicate with their customer the moment they are initiated until they are shipped and beyond. All these activities will be automated and can be done in real time with sensors embedded in production materials and machines. IoT can provide real-time information by tracking products, materials, or equipment in the supply chain when they move from one stage to another. What is Industry 4.0? Industry 4.0 has been widely discussed, and its growth doesn't seem to be slowing down in time soon. Industry 4.0 is about combining artificial intelligence and data science to realize the potential of Internet of Things, to just having access to large pools of information. As more and more smart devices are integrated into organizations, Industry 4.0 will continue to dominate the manufacturing industry, offering valuable benefits including predictive maintenance of machines and increased levels of automation to help manufacturers optimize their operations. One example of this is for inventory control of spares and raw materials. Sensors are being used to identify stock level and, based on historical information, automate the replenishment of these items. This innovation decreases production downtime and ensures an optimized delivery schedule. It's about being able to build upon a loop of intelligence that feeds into a cycle of continuous improvement. This involves gathering as much data as possible, turning this data into insight, and finally into intelligence which can be used to improve business processes. This is a mid-side of manufacturing should adopt when it comes to ERP. However, making the move towards a smarter ERP system can require a culture shift to manufacturers as well as financial investment. ERP systems are already collecting more business data than ever before, but making sense of this data and acting on it will be the key differentiator in the year ahead. With the increasing amount of data being created by Industry 4.0 comes the opportunity to enhance the customer's experience. Industry 4.0 impact on manufacturing and ERP. Intelligent ERP comes with a mix of artificial intelligence and machine learning, blockchain technology, and massive datasets. A focus on user experience, cloud, and the Internet of Things. The industrial transformation of Industry 4.0 and the industrial Internet, with its increasing role in the industrial Internet of Things and advanced data analytics, impact various systems manufacturing. The role of the manufacturing execution system is evolved, and so the ERP systems. In sense, intelligent ERP systems shift in industrial transformation in the context of Industry 4.0. Intelligent ERP systems will integrate Internet of Things and blockchains to automate large-scale processes and speed up execution time in manufacturing. The cloud, edge computing, network evolution, industrial IoT, machine learning, connectivity, and linking between the various systems on the field level, control level, production level, and operational level, and the enterprise planning level, where ERP and the intelligent ERP comes in, become far more important than ever. The rise of the intelligent ERP systems can be seen in this context of hyper-connected systems in manufacturing and smart supply chain management. Ongoing automation and the movement towards semi-autonomous and autonomous decisions, artificial intelligence, machine learning, advanced analytics, and IoT indeed. However, intelligent ERP also need to be seen in the broader perspective of what organizations expect from today's business solutions overall. Intelligent ERP systems will integrate IoT, blockchain, to automate large-scale processes and speed up execution time in manufacturing. Since intelligent ERP is already here, and many vendors such as SAP and Microsoft are providing the intelligent ERP systems backbone for digital transformation by the organizations, as will be shown in the next two slides, two examples of ERP systems. The first is the SAP HANA, and the second is the Microsoft architecture using Data Factory. The revolution of ERP with IoT can change the manufacturing process for a business of all shapes and sizes. IoT-enabled tools are available at manufacturers' fingerprint. The entire scenario depends on how they want to use this intelligent technology to supercharge their business. One of the biggest problems in the path of IoT is data security. As Internet of Things collects data from each corner and feeds it into ERP systems, there is a problem of being hacked. Another most important thing to worry about is the high initial investment of ERP, which might not fit the budget of small and mid-sized enterprises. The budget and